Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 30 Waterloo Road. This is a 2-bedroom property with a good sized garden to rear and with no onward chain. So moving into the property, and we have the first reception room here with a sash style bay window, built-in meter cupboard, and then moving through, we have the stairs leading up to the first floor and then through to the second reception room. And that's the understairs pantry in the corner. Continuing into the kitchen, which has a couple of Velux windows and double doors leading through to the garden. And then moving upstairs onto the first floor, and we have the first bedroom facing towards the front of the property. And we also have a built-in storage cupboard, and then leading around to the second bedroom. And then through to the bathroom, which has a separate corner shower with an electric shower, as well as having a bath here as well. And moving into the garden, where we have a paved patio leading down to the main garden area, and then just at the side there is also shared gated access leading back through to the front of the house. Pretty good sized garden here, which goes all the way down to the timber shed. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, just give the office a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.